Good morning, children. Let's begin with the prayer first. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, you can't get over it. It's so deep, you can't get under it. It's so wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. In English, come to page number 59. So we were doing this chapter called Everyday Things. Okay. Now you all have tried to make sentences and make small sentences about all these things. Now we'll go to third and fourth. Okay. So things you wear. Okay. So you wear a tie. The boys will wear a tie. The girls for school uniform sometimes need to wear tie. You will wear socks. Okay. Now what other things do you wear? You can wear t-shirt. The girls can write frocks. You can wear trousers or pants. Okay. So you can write these two out here. Now what you will write about a tie? I'll give you one example. Okay. So we have to write 3 sentences on tie. Remember the way we wrote last time. So we'll give the heading tie. First point we can write, I have a blue and black tie. Okay. Then you can write, I wear a tie to school. Okay. Then what else can you write? I or you can write something else like that. My brother has a blue and white tie. Okay. So these can be your sentences. You can make some another sentence also. Okay. That is on things that you wear. So you can write tie, socks, frock for the girls. You can write shirts for the boys, trousers, or you can write shorts. Okay, anything. Any of this you can write in your red and blue line book. Take a picture and send. After that, things you use. Okay, things you use. So in the book it is mentioned about the spoon, the keys. What else do you use? You use a pencil, you use a book, you use, what else do you use? You use sharpener, you use books are for both red and blue line books, notebooks or textbooks, crayon box, paint box. So there are many things that we use. Okay, you can write any 2 out here and you have to write 3 sentences on that. Now for this, I will just help you with this. I will just give you one example. Things you use, that will come as spoon. Okay. Okay. We use a spoon to eat rice. Okay. What else can we write about a spoon? I have 10 spoons in my house. Very simple sentences, but meaningful sentences is what we have to write. Okay, then my favorite spoon is with with yellow color, or is yellow color. Okay, my favorite spoon is yellow color. Okay, so these kind of sentences we need to write. After that, so here things you use: spoon, keys. Then you will write about say pencil, eraser, books, or you can write plate, anything. Okay, anything that you use. And then you will write 3 sentences on that, just the same way as I have shown you on the board. Take a picture and send it to me. Okay, now open this worksheet. Okay, worksheet page number 24. It is mentioned page number 24. Now there are these alphabets, these pictures. So these are the capitals and these are the smalls. What you need to do is connect the small and the big alphabets with the pictures. Okay, like for example, this is India, this is kitten, elephant, then this is jug, and this is mic. So you know what you have to connect. Use a scale, use a ruler or scale and your crayon to connect it. Okay, after finishing this, turn your page. Turn your page. Okay, now you need, I'm going to give you a few numbers of which I want you to write number names. So it's going to be random numbers, and these are the number names that I'm asking, which you have already learned. So the first one is 47. So what will you write here? 47. Number name you have to write. Okay. Second, I'm just going to tell you the numbers. I will not tell you the whole thing, otherwise you will know what it is. So 4725. Third, 68. Fourth, 50. Fifth, 73. Sixth, 19. Seventh, 3, 4, 8. We have, what do we have left? 8, 9, 4, 2, 10, 6, 4. Okay, so these are the number names that I want you all to write. I'll just repeat once: 4725 68 50 73 19 34 8 42 64. Okay, so you will write this, write your name, take a picture and send. Okay, that's what you need to fill. Now for maths, we are going to learn number names from 91 to 100. We have already done number names till 90. So now we are going to do number names from 91 to 100. Okay, so 9 and 1 is 91. NINETY, 90 hyphen 1, 91. Okay, then we have 9 and 2, 92. NINETY, 90, 2, TWO, 2. 9 and 3, 93. NINETY, THREE, 3. 94. NINETY, FOUR, 4. And 95. NINETY, 90 and 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Okay, so that's 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Now we'll go to 96. 9 and 6, 96. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 96. S-I-X. 6. 97. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 97. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 98. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 90. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 99. N-I-N-E-T-Y. 99. N-I-N-E. 9. And the last number that we are going to learn today is 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. So that is 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. This you will write in your maths book. Write your name, take your pictures and send it to me. That's all you need to do for maths. Now we are going to do EVS. We already finished the number song last time. Today we are going to start with the alphabet song. I have taught you all some alphabet songs in school. So I'm just going to repeat one of them. You all need to sing that song, take a video and send. Okay? So it goes like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P,
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,
X, Y, Z. Butter on the bread. If you don't like it, you better go to bed. Next day morning come to me and I will teach you A, B, C. We'll do one more time. We are done with this action if you all remember. Okay, so let's do with that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Butter on the bread. If you don't like it, you better go to bed. Next day morning come to me and I will teach you A, B, C. You need to record this and send the video of this. Okay, that's all for the day. Have a good day. Happy weekend. Bye.
Bye.